All right, let's look at the homework 5.1, problem number 1. All right, so we want to verify that this integral is equal to that. All right, so since integral is the reverse process of differentiation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the derivative of the result to see if I can get the integrand. All right, so let's do that. All right, so you have a 1 x here. Derivative of x is 1, so we already know that. All right, so you have a negative 6 is just a number, so I'll just constant multiple. All right, and a cube root is equivalent to 1/3 power, right? So we're going to do the power rule, put 1/3 in front, so 1/3 in front. So 6/3, I'm going to go ahead and simplify it to 2. Then x to the, so we're going to subtract 1 from 1/3, so it's going to be a negative 2/3, right? So we have that. I don't like having parentheses, so I get rid of that. And then take the derivative of the constant. That's going to be 0, right? Then you see that here, if you want to rewrite it, so if you have a negative power, we can actually put it on the bottom. So it's going to be divided by, so x is going to be on the bottom, right? Then you have a negative 2/3 power, but since we already put it on the bottom, so it's going to be a positive 2/3 power on the bottom. So let's put that, raise it to the positive 2/3 power, right? So we got that. All right, let's see. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, so that's 3 there, and I want to get rid of that parenthesis, and all right. And then better yet, since if you have a 1/3 power, you can replace it into a cube root. So I'm gonna just say this is going to be a cube root. All right, so I'm gonna just choose that. And the cube root, where is the cube root? Right, so you got a cube root. Right, actually, it doesn't give me what I want, so you can write it as cube root, right? And which is exactly the same as the integrand, right? So I'm going to check the answer just in case. Submit for testing. All right, I came back and it looks like we got, oh, I got this something left over here maybe. All right, and let's check this again. Sorry about that. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.